Hello people, my name is Dennis and today I'm going to show you how to build a restaurant menu log database using Microsoft Access. So we're going to categorize this tutorial as food menu collection 101 and you know what that is. Let's look forward for this stuff. So what is food menu login systems? So it's keeping track of or accounting for variable of interest, in this case the food menu. These are the variable of interest that we're looking for to keep: food name, cost of preparation, sell price, markup or down rate, picture, the dates, and also the work instruction for the food. So doing this, we are codifying our process, which is over here. So we're gonna look at the layout. First, we're gonna go to design view, design the database. Then we're gonna come to the table. How we're going to use this? We can use the table to feed or to fill in the database, and we move to the reports showing all the work, the output of this database. So without being said, let's jump straight to the Microsoft Access and see this physically so we can work on this. This is my interface. As you can see, I have the table right here on the top, and I have my form here, and I have the reports right here. So the interface is where you have all your interaction or whichever table or whichever record you want to access at one place where you can just pull it. In this case, if I want to look at the report of all my food menu, I can just go to my report and look here. I have stickies and I can see the ingredients, the picture for the stickies and the selling price. I also can see the menu number for Fila Blast roll, the ingredients, and also the picture for the food and the selling price. So this is the report, like the output of all my input. So without being said, let's go see how we design this and how all this work. It's just simple. Let's create a new menu, and we're gonna name this. I'm gonna name this after somebody. So I'll just name it J Molly, and this food is going to be a dinner, and I use rice, oil, and meat for this food. On the food picture, yes, let's add a picture. Desktop, I'll add this picture, and I'll click OK. And the ingredients picture, I don't have it, and this food takes 4 minutes to prepare. And preparation work instructions, I don't have it now, but this food will cost $5, I know. And no markup, so the selling price is $5. Let's save this interface, close this. I'm not gonna close this for now, but I'm gonna show you something that I have a whole lot of database here that I have. If you are interested in knowing all these databases, I will be doing a tutorial one by one on all these databases. So I'm gonna close this now and see if we have our new menu up there. So let's go to the interface, my interface. Now I have it. Let's go to my report. So I have J Mali right here, my ingredients and the picture. The picture I can view it over here. So this is how this database works. So let's learn how to create this database now. Okay, close this, and this is the table. This is how I created this database. So these are the variables of interest. We have the name. Let's edit this, make it this food name. Save, and close. Open it again. We're gonna have the dates that we introduced this food, the period we want to sell this food, the ingredients, food picture, ingredients picture, preparation time, work instructions, attachments, and the cost price for making the food, and the markup of markdown rate, and of course the selling price. These are all the variables of interest. So now let's create a new database. We need a blank, name it food menu, food menu log. That's it. Do you want to save changes? No, I don't want to. So now we have a new blank table now. Okay, now let's go to the design view. Click design. Let's name is menu log. Take us to the design view. Then we have to create an ID to keep track of whichever food that we put in our system. In this case, if we have first menu, is gonna be the first ID that we have. So menu ID, and this is should be auto number, and you should see this key telling you this number is unique, and it's gonna keep auto counting the numbers as you add more food. So if you can have a lot of menus as far as you want. So we're gonna have the dates now that we are introducing this menu. This message will pop up. Click OK, and choose the data type. You want the date, time, data type. Now let's go back. Let's go back to the other database and see what else we want. Okay, back. Food name. Stop doing that. Food name, and we will have food name, ingredients, for my if money, food picture, and this is going to be an attachment file. ingredient picture, also an attachment file. Instead of food, work instruction, and food preparation time, prepare cost price. This is going to be a lookup value. I'm going to type this in. So 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes. That's okay. Okay, we want to add more minutes if we don't have it in here. So we will click, do you want to store multiple values for this lookup? Yes. You allow this function and hit finish. And the cost price is currency. The markup, rate is a number, but is a percentage, and it's a single number, and then the sell price is a calculated field. So let's save this and close. Now let's come back and go here. Now the calculated field, the selling price is a calculated field, which is equal to cost price plus cost price times the markup rate. Okay, that's the formula. And it says I can't set this to a calculated field, so this is what we're going to do. Insect row, name here calculated field, and let's use the same formula. So price, cost price plus cost price times the markup down rate. And let's delete this one. So price, let's name it sell price now and save. Now we have it here. It's ready for inputs. Okay. There is no name showing up here. We're going to have the name now. This is an attachment. You can't delete it. Work instruction. Then you delete this one. I'll save. Now let's go back here. We copy this food work instruction and paste it right here in the caption and save. Do the same to this one. Ingredients, picture, and you paste. Food picture, copy, paste, save. Now we have this. Now let's do this and see. Let's put in an output and see. Have Labasco corn, oil, rice, dough. Add the picture. And the video for the food, which I have already put it in. The ingredients I don't have any picture, but I will use in the picture, which is this one. Okay, work instruction. I don't have any work instruction here, but I will use this picture too. And the preparation time is 4 minutes, and it costs $5 for the food, and markup is 2%. So the selling price is $5.10. Okay, save this. And I don't want this to be one. I want it to be 101, 1001. Save. I want it to be 101. And I just changed the menu number. Now it's time for reporting and forming. So let's create a form from this table, which we're gonna give it to somebody who is going to work for us to use, because this table cannot be touched, because if you let people touch this table, they can mess with your formula, or they can uh, formulate it again and steal money from you. So you might want to have somebody working for you using a form instead of a table. Now we have the form here. Looks like everything is okay. We can use this form to do the same work as this one, which we're gonna do. So let's name this close. Yes. And now let's create a report. We're going to create a report to see what, like showing it to a third party, what you want to show it to them. Like I want to show the menu ID, the food name, food picture, and I want to show the sale price. That's all I want to show as my report, and we have it right here. Looks perfectly good. Now let's clean it up a little bit. I don't need these dates. I don't need this. And let's name it. Rename report. Now let's create a navigation tab. We call this user interface. Now I'm gonna add this right here, and I'm gonna now I have everything right here. This is all I need to make my business function. Once I'm in this page, I can do everything. I can look at my report and also do some logging. Now let's see. You want to add a new menu. Let's add a new menu. See over here, we are the next record. It goes to next. Be ready to enter. So let's pick today's date. Food name. Roll up. Blaze. Roll. And it's made of corn, oil, syrup. These are the ingredients and the food picture. I'll add the food picture as this one. Sorry about that, guys. Ingredients, not now. Like instruction, and the food cost $10, and I'll mark it up 1%. Therefore, the price of the food is $10.10. Save this. Yes. And close. I'll close. Name this interface. Menu interface. Therefore, if I go to my interface, now I have my rollerblades roll right here, cost $10.10, and filler blast roll. So this is the interface. I can log my menu here and see the reports as well. Can go to multiple interface or multiple tables, forms, and reports to do my work. So guys, this is how you build restaurant menu log using Microsoft Access 2013 or in the version